The METALTECH UltraJack system will help you perform jobs safely in a variety of environments. In this video, we'll show you the components of the UltraJack system, how to set it up, and how to use it safely. To connect the two UltraJack poles with the pole connector, make sure that the rubber strips are facing the same side. Simply insert the pole connector into the UltraJack poles. Check that the buttons are locked into place and that there's no gap between the two poles. To install the UltraJack, start by sliding the workbench on the pole with the work arm facing up. Then, slide the UltraJack on the same pole with the support arm facing down. Align the workbench and the pump jack and secure them together with the bolts and nuts. Lift and raise the system perpendicular to the wall. The rubber surface of the pole should be facing away from the work wall. To secure the system to the wall, install the UltraJack braces at the top and the bottom of the pole. Other anchor points may be necessary. For a safe installation, you must have an anchor point every 12 feet. Attach the brace perpendicular to the wall using the proper hardware for the type of wall you're working on. Lift and install the pole on the pole anchor or the anti-slip pole base and make sure they are locked in place. You can now install the pole on firm and level ground. You can choose to use wood or aluminum planks. If you choose wood planks, there should be a minimum 12 inches of overlap and no possible movement. When using aluminum planks, the joint must be secured in place directly on the UltraJack support arm. There should be a 6 to 12 inch platform overhang over the support arms. Install your walk plank and adjust the arms of the UltraJack to the width of your platform. To secure the planks to the UltraJack, use the chains provided with the product. Pass the chains over and under the rungs and lock them in place as tight as possible with the hardware to ensure that the platform is secured. To install the safety net, use the integrated straps and buckles and install them on the workbench from one end to the other. Repeat these steps on the work platform. To raise the system, you will need to lock the crank handle by turning the handle until the spring lock engages. Place your foot in the stirrup and pump slowly until the platform is raised approximately 1 foot. Repeat this process with the other UltraJacks to the desired height. Always keep the work surface level. To lower the UltraJack system, raise the stirrup to the up position. Ensure that the crank handle is locked. Holding onto the pole, place 1 foot on the square pedal of the lower lock. Press and hold to open. Take the crank handle and begin to turn the handle until the platform begins to descend. Continue lowering the platform for approximately 1 foot. Lock the UltraJack by turning the handle until the lock ring is seated and the handle is no longer under spring tension. Release the square pedal to re-engage the lower safety lock. Repeat these steps with the other jacks until the platform reaches the required height. Always make sure the pump jack system is level. To follow security standards, always install a guardrail and end rails when working over 10 feet high.